Okay, last AKS. AKS 60, which is to rewrite expressions involving radicals and rational exponents. So, with this equation right here, we have to multiply the tops together and multiply the bottoms together. So 2 times 2 times 3, 6. So P 6 over 6 times 5 of 30. So, okay, now next we want to figure out what exponent we want to see if we can simplify this out. So this would be 1. P would be 1 over 10, and what I did was I divided these. The thing that these two have in common is 3. 3 divided by 6 is 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10, so that would be 1 over 10. Now, next we want to write this in radical form, so our root will always go outside, so 10 would go outside, and our 1 would always be inside, so this would be our radical for this equation. So this would be the answer for this equation. Next, let's do another problem. So let's say P 5 over 15 10 over 20. Okay, so again, we want to multiply the tops together and the bottoms together. So 50, P 50, this will be a big number. So P 50 and 15 times 20, I'll get back 300. So next we want to simplify that out because no one really likes big numbers like that. So if I simplify this out, I'll be back. So simplified, it would give us 5 over 30 because we can divide 10 in each to give us 5 over 30. So then again, we want to ratify this. That's what it's called. So the root, again, always goes on the outside. The root is always the bottom. So 30 would go on the outside, and inside the squared root would go 5. So this is how our second equation would look. Okay, let's do 3 more problems. So our first problem out of the 3. Okay, 10 times 1, that would give us 10. So P 10 over 50 times 10, 60. Or wait, first of all, that would give us 500. My bad. Okay, so next we want to simplify this problem down, so I'll be back. We could divide both of them by 10, so that would give us 1 over 50. And then ratify it. That's how you say it, I think. The top always goes right here. And then our root would always go on the outside. Okay, so next problem. 2 over 60 and 6 over 30. Okay, so 2 times 6 would give us 12. I had to make sure. So P 12 over 60 times 30, 1,800. Now that's a big number, so we want to simplify this down if we can simplify it down. So we could divide both by 12, so that would give us 1 over 150. And then so next, all is left to do is ratify it. So P1 and then our root 150. Now onto our last problem. 9 times 5 is gonna give us 45. I cannot do fast math. 18 times 20, that would give us 360. If we can simplify this down, our simplest form would be 1/8. And then we just want to ratify it. So P 1/8 on our outside. So this is AKS 60.